We're about to cook some burgers over here. Hopefully you enjoyed this content. Feel free to leave some comments down below and just show your girls some love. Happy Saturday, everyone. I don't know what we're gonna do. Potato. We're gonna do. I probably end up doing home fries. The kids enjoyed that, and they can add cheese to it if they want to. Cheeses to it if they want to. So we just about to just go ahead and just get started, okay? Hopefully the light is not too bad up in here, but yeah. Let me go ahead and let me move this back over here out of the way. That's soap. Close the cabinets. We don't want no cabinets open. And I just wash my hands, so we'd have to put my hand back in some water. Okay. Do I got everything? I think I'm gonna add a little chili to this. Hope it don't make it spicy. Add a little chili powder to this burgers. I'm just gonna set everything right here. My burger is right here. I know y'all can't really see it, but I'm gonna try to show y'all. We're gonna put some lemon pepper. How is y'all Saturday going? Mine is just going, y'all. It is just going. But overall, I'm glad it's a nice sunny day. It's not raining, so we're grateful for that. We're gonna add some black pepper. Black pepper to the mix. Trying to see who outside. I see it's I don't know if it's a tow truck out there. I don't know what's going on out there, but put this in the fridge. So let me go ahead and get these burgers on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some lettuce and tomatoes. We'll add a little salt to this. Not that much. Yeah, I don't have no seasoning salt, so we're gonna tweak this a little bit. You know we have to have our Larry's, and I went to the store and still forgot to get the Larry's. Or you know what? I didn't forget. I don't think I seen none, cause I didn't go to the actual grocery store. So yeah, I can't say I didn't really see anything. They just didn't have it at the stores I went to. And you know how we feel about our Larry's, okay? We have to have that Larry's seasoning salt to give our burgers or any type of meat a boost, okay? But we just gonna wing it. You know, it'd be like that sometimes, but it's all about how you season your food. And the kids love it no matter how I make it. Like I had made chicken the other day. I did not think it was gonna come out right? Because I didn't have the original seasonings I normally use. So I had to improvise some things. You know what I'm saying? I had to improvise some things. And I was like, okay, we're gonna see how this turned out. Do you know that chicken turned out? So at this moment, this is when I realized that the police was outside the door. Someone had ran up. Y'all see me looking. Y'all see me looking at the window. I'm looking like, wait, hold on. What's going on? Do you know somebody who ran right on the outside of our complex, outside the door, and they threw a gun over there. The police, one police car came. Next thing you know, a whole lot of them started coming. Um, they end up getting a person that had ran, but they wasn't for sure if it was more than one person. So once they got that person in the car, I don't know if he got tased, shot, or if he shot himself. I don't know. But next thing you know, the ambulance was there, and more cop cars were there. I mean, when I tell you things is crazy, and that's why I kept on looking out the window because I'm looking like, what is going on? First I saw a tow truck, and then the tow truck had left, and then that's a few minutes after that. That's when the person came and ran like along the side of the building right there. It's a bush right there. So by the bush, I guess I don't know if he fell. I don't know what he did, but he was trying to run from the police. So, like you see me still looking. I'm still looking, like trying to figure out what's going on. But at that moment, more police cars were showing up. And so I don't know if they've been looking for this person for quite a bit of time because they was high-fiving each other. They had on face masks. I'm talking about the police now at this point. It's like a whole squad. It's like, I'm like, what is going on? They was happy that they got this person. So like I said, they probably was looking for him for a while to where they like, we finally get him off the street. But he ended up getting hurt. So I don't know if he got hurt from them or if he hurt himself. But I know somebody did say something about a gunshot wound. And they had him in the back of the car, in the police car, waiting for the paramedics to come to, assist him. But y'all, life is is getting crazy out here. Just be safe out there, and be aware of your surroundings. Cause like you see me, I kept on looking because I kept on hearing stuff, and then when I heard the police say, "Get on the ground, get on the ground," I don't know. Like I said, I think he dived into the bushes. I don't know, trying to hide from them. But by that time, all the police cars came, so you can't hide if you ain't, can't run fast enough. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Especially, if it's not really nowhere for you to run to. You know what? Just surrender. And, whatever consequences you gotta pay, just pay them consequences. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for supporting this channel. I want y'all to go ahead and just, love on your girl. Okay, your girl she's going through it right now. Love on your girl. I want y'all to, I would like for y'all, and I say I want y'all to, I would like for y'all to, send your girl some support. My Cash App is down. I'm trying to get me and my little ones in a place. So if y'all can, with any little help y'all can, help us send some funds to our Cash App so we can get into our home. Um, and I'll go into more detail about that. But go ahead and, share these videos, like these videos, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.